Hello, my name is Agata Clevenger and I'm a Vice President of Innovation for Tuned Out, as well as a board member for Yourmarket.com. Today I wanted to show you a little bit in terms of how the Yourmarket.com application would work. How would all of those application pieces come together to make for a truly unique shopping experience? Here on the board I drew a little bit of different pieces that come together to make this application work. Here is a customer with his cell phone, with his iPhone, his BlackBerry, his laptop or a desktop, or basically however you can get on the web. Right here in the middle we have Yourmarket. This is our application that's going to be the shopping tool we're going to be using here. Here we have Clipper Magazine, MapQuest, Craigslist. Those are different types of applications that we're going to do mashups with. We will come back to it later as far as why would MapQuest be, for example, a useful one. Here we have a number of different vendors. You see the big names like Home Depot, Acme, Walmart, but we're also going to have mom and pops types of stores. And basically, how is it going to work? You, the customer, will be entering your information in terms of what types of items do you need as far as your shopping, your groceries, your home improvement, whatever it is that you need. So you're going to enter your information into easy to navigate Yourmarket application, whether via laptop or your cell phone. This information is going to feed into our application. On the other end, we have our vendors. Our vendors are constantly updating their inventory and feeding it into our database. At the same time, we are not only pulling their inventory, but also their prices, their promotions, everything that could be of use to you, the shopper. All of this information that we are pulling together is going to be hosted on GoDaddy. So we're going to use GoDaddy for email, for our data storage, for website. And all of this information is going to be stored here. So let's say you've entered all of your information, it's fed through to Yourmarket.com. You're going to say, okay, I want to have, what type of shopping experience am I looking for? Do I want to spend the fewest dollars, or do I want the quickest type of shopping experience? So perhaps you don't want to visit more than 3 stores, or perhaps you're most concerned with the price of the items you are buying, so you want the lowest price. Well, Yourmarket.com will allow you to do just that. Our application is going to calculate for you either the best route or the lowest price, and it's going to suggest the way you go about your shopping. You may also have family members, little kids here, or a wife who need items. So perhaps they will also have access to our application and they will be able to update your shopping list. So when you go and you do your shopping, you're not only doing the shopping for yourself, but you have this real-time idea of what are the shopping needs of your household. So Yourmarket gives you this final shopping list that you have. Now you're going to get in your car and you're going to drive to our vendors, you're going to visit them, you're going to complete your shopping experience. And at the same time, we are gathering information on you as the customer. And this information is going to become very valuable to our vendors, but also to a number of market research groups. So we are going to sell this data to them, so they know how to best reach our customers, what things work the most effectively. Also for our vendors, there will be a way for them to say, okay, those are the promotions that I have going on this week, and those are the ones I really want to give more exposure to, or I have too much inventory of X, and our vendors are going to be able to push through Yourmarket and reach our customer and let them know of those special opportunities in the particular week. As I said before, all of this is going to be stored on GoDaddy and we'll be using MySQL as well. In our next clip, we're going to show you how we are going to work through this with our test market.